Hi you guys, I hope you are doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Maitri Thakkar and I create beauty content on Instagram as well as YouTube. I have gotten so many requests from you guys saying that review all of these lipsticks. So I'm going to make sure that I actually do a separate video where I swatch all the new Inside Cosmetics lipsticks, which includes the Pure Matte lipsticks, Hydra Fix, Vinyl Lip Color and the Forever Matte lipsticks. So I'm going to swatch all of them in my next video. So please do not forget to actually hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Today, we are here to talk about the Inside Cosmetics Collagen Lip Boost in the shade Hot Mocha. I picked out the shade Hot Mocha. If you've been on this channel for a very long time, you know I love anything brown, nude, mauve. I will just pick out those shades out of the entire range by default. So I picked out the shade Hot Mocha and the packaging of this, like it is so cute and funky. I love it. I love the fact that it actually looks like a high-end lip balm, even though it retails only for $240. I love Inside Cosmetics. I think they just come out with most phenomenal formulas at such a drugstore price. I'm yet to try it. It's going to be a completely first impressions video. I've literally just removed it out of the box. Like you can see, the product is not even squeezed out yet. So this is going to be a completely first impressions video. Just reading a little bit of the back of this box to understand what this product actually claims to have or claims to be. It actually combines a powerful blend of vitamin C, vegan butters, nourishing oils, and phytosqualene to deliver excellent hydration. Firstly, we're going to try it on the lip combo that I already have to understand if it will actually work as a gloss as well. Comes with a plastic applicator that doesn't really move. It's a stiff applicator, so if you're expecting it to move while you apply your lip balm, it's not going to do that. It's completely stiff. Let's see what the shade looks like. That is a thick lip balm. You can see the consistency. Okay, that feels very, very thick. It sort of has a balmy texture. It has that beautiful brown tint. Let's see how it actually looks on my lips. If you are to use it as a lip gloss, does it work? Does it actually look like a gloss? Let's see. Okay, that looks beautiful. This is what I would expect a high-end lip balm to actually look like. It looks so beautiful. You can see it's not goopy at all. Even on my lipstick, it's definitely not goopy, and I've applied a thick layer. Gives my lips a very beautiful shine, and you can definitely wear this as a lip gloss. Even with my lipstick on, it actually is very hydrating. I actually forgot to mention that it smells like a beautiful high-end coffee. Trying it on my bare lips now. It has a very beautiful brown tint, as you can see. And even on my pigmented lips, this brown tint is actually showing up. Ooh, feels super smooth. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to compare this lip balm with a few of my other favorite lip balms that I really swear by and use them on a very daily basis. One of my favorites, which is the Indie Wild. Any variant of Indie Wild has the same formula. The one that I'm using is called Glazed Jalebi. This is Glazed Jalebi right here by Indie Wild. Compared to Inside, Indie Wild is a little bit more lightweight, and as you can see, it doesn't really have that thick sort of consistency. It's more light in nature. We have my e.l.f. Squeeze Me Lip Balm. Any particular variant in this is good because the formula is still the same. This actually feels very similar to the Inside lip balm, even more thicker than the Inside, but the only thing is that Inside is going to be more pigmented. Then I'm going to compare it lastly with my Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. Any particular lip balm from Laneige I love and swear by. This is just the mango one that I'm comparing right here. The Laneige one right here, and you can see that it looks similar to the Inside one, but let me tell you, Laneige is, I think, a little bit more thicker in consistency. In terms of when you actually apply it on your lips, you feel like you're applying a lip mask, but when you're applying this, you feel like you're applying a lip balm. So there's a difference. I hope this comparison of lip balms actually helped you to understand if you have any of these lip balms, whether you want to get this or not. Out of these three, I think Inside se sabse zyada closest is going to be the e.l.f. one in terms of consistency and the way it feels on my lips. I also wanted to compare the Inside peptide infused aqua lip drip that they launched a few months ago, which I got my hands on, and I wanted to compare the collagen lip boost, which is the new launch, just for you to get an idea that you should invest in this or this. One has a metal applicator, which actually gives you a very cooling effect when you're applying this lip balm. The peptide one, even though this is very pigmented, as you can see, and it's very, very lightweight, extremely sheer when you apply it on your lips. You can build this up. The only thing is that this one doesn't really feel like a thick lip balm, which I mentioned in my previous video as well, that this one has a consistency almost like water or a very lightweight lip oil sort of a consistency. And the lip boost actually feels like a thick lip balm, which I would prefer if I'm applying it, especially at night. You can see the difference already. It's taking me time to squeeze it out. This is way more runny and this is way more thick. If you're somebody who likes a very lightweight lip balm that doesn't really feel thick on your lips, invest in the Peptide Aqua Lip Drip that they launched a few months ago. But if you're someone like me who prefers lip balms like Laneige, Indie Wild, or Elf, go with the lip boost. So I just wanted to compare these two as well for your understanding as to which lip balm should you pick from Inside Cosmetics. Back of this actually says that it's a multi-purpose collagen lip oil. However, I would not call it an oil because I think it has a consistency of a balm, because the oil is usually liquidy compared to this. This is a little bit more thicker, so I would consider this as a lip balm or a lip balm plus lip oil ka hybrid, because it gives you that shine like a lip oil, but it has the consistency of a lip balm, if that makes sense. It feels very hydrating and moisturizing on my lips as of now. Gives you that beautiful shine, as you can see. Very, very comfortable on the lips. Extremely lightweight. It doesn't really feel like I'm wearing a lip balm or anything extremely heavy on my lips. Overall, I would recommend this product because I see no harm in actually investing 240 rupees in a good lip balm. If you've come this far watching this video, and if you like my content, please do not forget to actually subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because we're so close to reaching 13,000 subscribers and I cannot wait to actually grow this family more and more. I'm going to link this product in my description, so do not forget to check that out. If you guys enjoyed this video and if this video helped you in any way, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.